welcome back to my channel. And I just woke up today, it's July 5th, and I came across this article. So I thought it was quite interesting because previously I actually have another video on how China might crash commodity prices, including like zinc, copper, and iron by releasing stockpiles of its reserve. But now it actually didn't talk about gold. Now there's this article from Bloomberg where gold regains shine after central bank buying drops to decade low. So we'll look at this article together in this video. So before we start, I just want to celebrate another 4 success stories where Tony made 40% from Intel in 3 months, Peter made 42% from Intel as well, and Aaron made 60% from Intel in 74 days, and Brad made 77% from Intel in 1 month. So congratulations to you all. These are very successful case studies, and keep up the good work. So let's go back to this article. So let's dive a little bit deeper. So central bank from Serbia to Thailand have been adding gold holdings, recently allowing plans to purchase. A rebound in buying, which has dropped to the lowest in a decade. All right, so let's go down to the data. So here is the net gold purchased by central banks and other institutions. So obviously, they didn't really buy much in 2020 during the pandemic. And now HSBC, this is actually an estimate, it's not the actual number, is expecting this to go back up. And you can see historically it's actually a lot higher. And if you think about what they're about to do, you know, given there's inflation, given all the money printing, they do need to buy back more gold to support their currency. And if you scroll down a little bit, then you'll find the next sentence saying that higher crude prices are also boosting bullion purchases by oil exporters. So these 2 main factors will be driving the gold prices higher. For those of you who don't know, this is the free chart template that I have down in the description below. So if you don't have it, you can just grab it down in the first link in the description. So you can see since 2019, gold prices have been going up, and previously it touched 2000. And when you think about what has happened, this is actually not too far off compared to the March low, which is only $200-300 above. And now central banks are buying again, and crude oil prices are also high. So you can see that for the last 3 weeks or whatnot, gold prices have been kind of what I call forming a bottom and starting to go up. So in the future, I think it is actually quite likely that gold prices might reach $2,000 or even higher, given that there is a strong trend. Now, in this article, they also mentioned something related to crude prices, that it is higher. So if that is the case, then let's take a look at US oil. So you can go to US oil here, crude oil. And right now you can see that since the March bottom, it has pretty much gone up all the way to $75 or so. And now it is at the highest high since 2018. So if you zoom out a little bit, then you can see there's actually a giant rebound of oil prices back up to $75. And this could mean, you know, quite a number of things, including, for example, oil sands will be probably back in production. People will be moving back to Calgary. The housing market there is now hot, and it will, you know, lower the profitability of a lot of industries, including like airlines when they need to resume flying and start using oil, so on and so forth. So you can see all of these 2 factors are actually driving gold prices up. So I think there's actually a very strong likelihood that within the next 1 to 2 years, gold prices can shoot to 2000 or even past 2000, but I would say that's a more aggressive target in the long run. So if you're looking to learn how you can use this kind of information, such as gold prices, the macroeconomic variables, to make a higher profit in the markets, then you can watch the free case study below, which is the first link in the description. So if you go to the link below, you will get access to a 4-hour training, which is free. So make sure you watch the entire 4-hour training, and then you have the potential to schedule a call with me to see if I can help you on investing and make a higher return. So I'll see you in the next video.